about what is going on in the courts. More than 50 lawsuits have been filed against Trump's executive orders, and state courts are stepping in as well. Can you give us a brief description? I don't know how you remember everything, Heather, what's going on in the courts right now and how they're trying to stop certain actions taken by the administration?
So really at the heart of most of the cases, the court cases, and just as a warning here, I'm not a lawyer, is this attempt of the Office of Management and Budget by Russell Vogt from Project 2025. I'm sorry, he was an author of Project 2025. He actually has worked before, both in the Trump administration, and he worked for the Freedom Caucus in the right-wing House Freedom Caucus. The freezing of the monies that went behind U.S. aid and in the Inflation Reduction Act, and basically they came into office and they froze domestic spending and most other non-military spending, most other foreign aid. They didn't stop military aid to Israel or military aid to Egypt, but they stopped everything else. And again, they don't have the power to do that because Congress famously has the power of the purse.
Right.
And Congress gets to run things because it has the power of the purse. By taking that power of the purse, they have taken that away. So there are all these lawsuits challenging that. There are also lawsuits challenging the firings that have happened without Trump going through the statutory, that is the legal method for doing that. So in 2022, after Trump fired inspectors general in his first term, 2022, so that's recent, Congress passed a law saying that if you're going to try and fire an inspector general, you have to give Congress 30 days notice and the reason for that firing. And Trump simply didn't. He told them all not to come to work. Similarly, there have been all these firings. So basically what you're seeing are people saying, you can't do these things because of these particular laws. And so far, they've won on every single one of them.